Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to make and add a website shortcut on your desktop in Windows. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is super convenient as there'll then be an icon on your desktop. You can go and click on and get taken straight to the site. So first of all, we will be using Chrome for this. The steps are very similar in other browsers. But if you want to follow step by step, use Chrome. So come to the site you want to go and make the shortcut. For then on the site you need to go to the top right there. You're going to have 3 dots. Move your mouse down and you want to hover over car, save and share. And what you then want to do is go and click on create shortcut like so. As you can see, this is create a shortcut to this page, then press create and then it's going to be added to your desktop. If I close out of here, we'll be able to go and see it just here. And it's double clicked, YouTube goes and opens up.